It is time again for Microsoft Minutes. Today, we're going to explore how to view changes in online Excel spreadsheets. Have you recently shared a spreadsheet with several people and wanted to know what changes were made since the last time you accessed the document? A new Microsoft update allows both viewers and editors to see changes that have been made within the spreadsheet. You can filter to see specific changes in a worksheet, or filter to see specific changes made to a column or row. Here's a quick tip for you. Do you love keyboard shortcuts? You can see what keyboard shortcuts are available for online Excel spreadsheets with a few easy clicks. Check it out. Now you can review changes made within an Excel spreadsheet online, as well as how to access keyboard shortcuts. In our next episode, we will explore how to create collections and forms. See you then.